If you're launching a product and need ads that convert, you've probably been overwhelmed by the complexity of creating effective creatives. But what if I told you that with AdCreative AI, you can generate high-quality ads in a matter of minutes? Let me show you how to use AdCreative AI for product launch ads to help you save time and boost your campaign success. First off, AdCreative AI is an AI-powered tool designed to automatically generate high-converting ad creatives. It's built with deep learning algorithms that analyze the best-performing ads from top brands and then use that data to generate new ads tailored to your specific product. The best part? You don't need to be a design expert or spend hours trying to figure out what works. With just a few clicks, AdCreative AI will provide you with multiple variations of your product launch ad to test. The process is simple. You start by selecting your ad objective, whether you're running an ad for Facebook, Instagram, or another platform. Then you input your brand's details, such as your product name, description, and the audience you want to target. AdCreative AI also allows you to upload your logo and brand colors to ensure the ad stays on brand. What really sets this tool apart is its ability to generate multiple versions of your ad automatically. So instead of manually testing different headlines, images, and calls to action, the software will create a variety of designs, helping you identify which ones resonate most with your audience. It's like having a full creative team at your fingertips, but without the cost. Now, let's talk about how to optimize these ads for a product launch. Product launches require urgency and excitement, and AdCreative AI helps you build that in your ads by using persuasive language and bold design elements that stand out in a crowded feed. The software even has a built-in system for testing ad performance, so you can adjust your strategy in real time. You can quickly identify which ads are performing the best and scale those while dropping the ones that aren't working. AdCreative AI also lets you refine your ads based on detailed performance data. You get insights into which creatives are leading to the highest click-through rates and conversions, which means you can fine-tune your product launch ads to perfection. This data-driven approach ensures your ads are always optimized, saving you time and maximizing your ROI. And here's the best part. You can use AdCreative AI completely free through the exclusive link below. That's right. If you're launching a product or running a campaign, you can get started with a free trial and take full advantage of its powerful features to see how much it can boost your results. As we wrap up, don't forget, this isn't just a generic software tool. AdCreative AI is a game changer for anyone launching a product and looking to create ads that truly convert. The ability to test multiple versions, optimize based on data, and save time is a huge advantage in today's competitive landscape. Check out the link below to get access to an exclusive, extended free trial and start using AdCreative AI for your next product launch. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this opportunity.